literally, this is who I am. Like, for real, for real. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. This is Older Wiser Pearl. Older Wiser Pearl. And I'm about to braid my hair, so I thought, let's do this together. And yes, I have an outfit for braiding my hair. I did my nails last night. I painted them. They're not pretty, but here we are. Okay. I stay ready to braid my hair. No, I don't. Let's get ready to braid. Alright, so where do I start? So I think second week of lockdown I had already started. I prepared my braids. So like I stretched them out, like, you know. So they've been like waiting. But life, guys, you know, life.
Few moments later.
Bupilo, life. So yeah, but here we are. Normally I know it's time to braid my hair or do something to my hair when I feel like I need to cut it, because that's not a real thing. So yeah, here we are. I'm taking the portion. I'll show you what I do. I normally do this just to see, let's see, just to gauge the thickness. I normally just do this. So that's basically how thick it will be. But I'm not twisting. That's not a real thing. Okay. So here's my braiding technique. Knotless, what, I don't, that's neither here nor there. So, hey, let's see. Okay, so, am I really trying to teach you guys this thing? So this is basically what I have. You see? So there's the thinner side and then the thicker side. Okay? And I like to twist it like this. Just twist it once. Just make sure it's level. It's, yeah. I like to do that. That's all you're getting, guys. Have I started eating my snacks? Have I been drinking water? Oh, I'm watching The Amazing Race. It's really exciting. I don't know. Yeah, really enjoying it. What's this? Okay. How am I gonna show it to you? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is one of my favorite lip balmickies. There we go. Okay, so I like this hat. I should have worn this hat yesterday, but it's fine. So I didn't finish braiding my hair because adulting needed to happen, and because also I was tired, and then yesterday I was sick. Today I'm feeling a lot better and I'm in a different space. This is like my shooting space, filming space. What's this? Okay, I get distracted. Okay, so this is, yesterday I did not do anything. I didn't braid nothing. So yeah, this is all that's left. Oh, that's all that's left. 4 sections. Yeah, and this is how far I've come. I was in bed sick, finishing the ends. So yeah, we're gonna, I think the lighting's gonna be better here for me to show you exactly like what happened. So yeah. Okay, so we've got, I've already done it, and I think you can see there's a bit of like a, there's a darker, there's brown and then blackish. So yeah, I mixed it up a bit and that's it. So I'm gonna put it here, and forgot hair clips. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this hair away. Putting the hair away. Put your hair away. Okay, and then I didn't really care about like lines and stuff at the back, but here we needed to, you know. So my hair is like super short here, and I'm not trying to grab at it, because then why? What am I trying to prove? What? I just braided my whole head. What am I trying to prove? So I think I can get 3 braids. Is it 3? I don't know. A couple of braids. Let's see. And just twist it out just for separation. Separate. Look at the hair, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's what I'm braiding. We're leaving this out. We'll lay edges. This is the life I'm choosing from it. I'm gonna be an edge layer. Edge layer. We're braiding, we're braiding, we're braiding, we're braiding. So I'm watching New Girl, Zoe Deschanel. Look at me saying her name right. You're wrong. Who knows?
All we're gonna give her is a best comma. Come on, she's my mom's sister.
Well, she should have stuck to the registry. You know who hasn't even gotten us a present yet?
I have a year.
He has a year.
I have a year.
All right, everyone. Report to the principal's office, where I will be sitting behind the desk, because I might be principal.
Congrats. That's
You
great.
could be principal.
Well, I just had a very interesting talk with my boss, Genevieve.
Jess, I am dying.
What? Oh my God!
Dying to leave Banyan Canyon and launch my own elementary school at sea.
Oh, you scared the bejesus out of me. I've wanted this forever, and I came so close at my last school, like champagne and prosecco close.
So if you find marijuana in a locker, it's yours now, ours now. It could just be part of the loft. We could just put in a... Congratulations.
You just got yourself 2 weeks detention, Mr. Miller.
What? But I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You guys are like my family. I want to get you something great, something unique, personal.
Oh, guys,
Well, you clearly don't understand what a registry is. I appreciate the sentiment. Nick,
There we go.
I don't say this lightly.
Boom.
I release you from the registry. Buy us a gift of your choosing.
What I want to get you.
Whatever you want. The world is yours. Fly, my little hummingbird.
Was I gonna get you anything?
Very second while there are no distractions.
No distractions.
Perfect. Thank you. Total silence. It's incredible. What a sanctuary.
Complete silence. You got it. I love you. Have fun. No distractions. Abort.
But Robbie wrote a CC's Boys theme song for the band.
Schmidt.
Scatter. Go. Los Sissy's boys.
Guys, I love new gal. This is so funny. It's really, really
Check
funny.
this out. Coach and May's foreign exchange student just added me as a friend. Monty. His name is.
I should be braiding my hair, but this new girl, it's too funny, guys. It's like, it's my brand of humor. There, I said, I have a brand of humor.